You must see this white 2010 Ford Edge. This vehicle is powered by a gas V6 3.5L/213 engine with an automatic transmission and FWD. We priced this Ford Edge to sell quickly. You will find that his vehicle is loaded with options like P235/65R 17 all-season BSW tires, 17 painted aluminum wheels, a mini spare tire, a black rear spoiler, black rocker moldings, a 3-bar chrome grille, quad-beam halogen headlamps, black manual folding PWR mirrors with integrated blind spot mirrors, solar-tinted front door window glass and privacy-tinted rear windows. What are you waiting for? Come in for a test drive today. With a 6-cylinder engine, you'll have an adrenaline rush when you fire up the engine. Hear it roar. Deals like this are far and few. Act now and call us today.